Hello everyone, you all are welcome to Nice Light Media. So today I will be showing you all how you can use your Retouch Academy. How you can use your Retouch Academy to retouch your image. So many of you have been asking me, how do I use my Retouch Academy? I've told you people, I don't use Retouch Academy, but you guys keep on asking me, how do I use my Retouch Academic? So now I'm going to throw highlight on how you can use the Retouch Academic. Now open your Photoshop. Have you done that? So the first thing you have to know, are you using a 8-bit image or using a 16-bit image? So you can come to this up, then you search for this up. Now you can see here, this is the 8-bit image. So you can see the 8-bit image here. This is the 8-bit image. And another way to check it is to come to your image. You come to your image, then you come to your mood. Your mood here, you can see 8-bit image, 8-bit channel, 16-bit channel, 32-bit channel. I normally make use of 16-bit channel. Yes, I love making use of 16-bit channel. It's not that it has a different, but make my process fast. Yes, it make my process fast. It help my process, due to my, marks and different other things I used to do. So it helped me make my process of retouching fast. So I normally use 16-bit image. So it's 16-bit channel. So let me convert my own to 16-bit channel. So now you come to your Retouch Academic. In your Retouch Academic, you have 16-bit here, you have 8-bit here, you have 16-bit here. So all you have to do is to click your 16-bit or 8-bit. So now it will show you blur. When it show you Gaussian blur, then now you apply your Gaussian blur. This Gaussian blur now, the amount of Gaussian blur you apply to your image is the amount of texture you are going to get. So now I want this image to be a little bit sharp, so I'm going to reduce my Gaussian blur to 5 radius. So I'm going to reduce it to 5 radius. So the next thing I'm going to do here now is to click OK. Then it's going to load. So it's going to load. Say here you can see, let me bring this down here so that you can see it very well. So here you can also click your 8-bit image, your 8-bit image, and it will also appear like this. So now we are going to work on the low frequency separation tone. So what is the use of the low frequency separation tone? The low frequency separation tone stands for uneven tones. Yeah, it is for the uneven tones. Yeah, like this place now, these colors you are seeing, they are the uneven tones. These colors are the uneven tones which we have to correct to make this image have the same color tone. So this is how I retouch my image. So now you come to your spot healing tools. You you zoom your image out, then now what we are going to do now is to turn off this high frequency texture. We turn it off, then we click on the low frequency tone. So when we click on the low frequency tone, then now you come here, you drag it, you circle the areas, the uneven tones, you circle the areas, then your spot healing tool will do the work for you. So when you are doing this, you have to be careful so that you won't destroy the face structures. So guys, you all are welcome back. We are done with our retouching. So let's turn this high frequency separation on. So you can see. So now you see the before, and see the after. You see the before and see the after. So now let's come to the high frequency separation. You come to the high frequency separation, then you pick your patch tool. Then now you can we can make some adjustments here. You know, if there is anything that you can do like this, you can just use your patch tool to drag it, you know, to correct some places you want to correct. So let me do this one too. So you can see you can see now. So this is all about the how to use your Retouch Academy for your retouching. So it's very simple. It's something that is very easy. You can see the before and you can see the after. You can see the changes. You see the before and after. So I hope you have learned something from this. So don't forget to follow us, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share this video for someone who will love to watch these videos. Just share the video, share it to someone. I know there's someone who is looking forward to learn how to use Retouch Academy. So just share the video to that person, and then don't forget we retouch and also edit photo for non-photographers and photographers. In case you are looking forward for someone to collaborate with on your next project, kindly send us a DM and we can collaborate together. So before I leave, let me just do this advert. So we have Premiere Pro software for sale. If you are looking for Premiere Pro software, if you are tired of, you know, doing monthly subscription on your software, you can easily DM us and you get this software. We have already paid for this software, so you can get them free. We can get them without doing any monthly subscription. All you have to do is to install them on your system and you use them freely. You use them freely till you want to upgrade your software. We have Premiere Pro software for video editors. We have the Lightroom 2025 software. We have the Photoshop 2025 software. Then we also have Caption One for those doing wedding gallery editing. We have Caption One, the Premiere Pro software of it. We have Caption One. You know, it is not easy, you know, doing every monthly subscription is not easy. So that is why we come up with this idea, you know, to help you, you know, easy your monthly subscription. So with this software, now once you get this software, you can easily install them on your system, then, you know, use them freely without, you know, monthly subscription. So all you have to do is to send us a DM and get this software. So with little amount of 20,000 naira, you can get this software, which is $20. You can get this software. All you have to do is send us a DM and then you grab your copy. So don't forget to follow us, you know, follow us, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also send your photo to us for editing. See you in our next session.